Here, kitty, 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 kitty. You're so pretty. What are the other two pretty little cats I saw? Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. We have a visitor. We have a visitor. We have a visitor. He's like, who? Yeah. You. Come and visit me. Come over here. Come across the street. Yeah, kitty, 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 kitty. Kid said, girl, let me eat this food you threw out. What do we have here? What do we have here? He's cocooning something. He cocooning something. He gotta have something. Usually by the they build their wheels at night. By the time I come out the next day, they take their wheels down. But he left his up showing me something. He putting that work in. You cocooning stuff out here. He got cocooning stuff. You hear me? Got a couple catches. Understand? A couple of them don't snap this stuff up in the trap. I'm out here cocooning, no understand, ain't nobody to play with. Ain't nothing to play with, understand, cocooning. Go ahead and do your work, let me talk. You do your work, let me talk. Do your work, let me do what I got to do. Let me sort out what I need to say. Let me go ahead and speak what I need to speak, say what I need to say. I hear cocooning stuff. I hear just cocooning it. There's a new sheriff in town. Finally got your couch, you can win a bagel. The one a bagel. Y'all, cat jumping in the tree right here. What that cat? It must have slept in the tree last night. Yeah. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. That's a squirrel. That's a big squirrel. I thought it was a cat. You look like a cat. Let me get low with you so I can get you real good. I gotta get the squirrel real good. He just sat there. You moving them bushes like that. Them branches. Where you going? Yeah, I can't see that squirrel. I can see him. See, let you know I see some things y'all can't see. I see what y'all can't see. I always been like that. I always see what they couldn't see. You know what I'm saying? I always say what I can't see. There you go, right on. Pay attention, zoom in on him. I'm zooming in to the max so you can see him. I don't got to zoom in. I just look at him. Understand? I don't got to zoom in. My eyes already zoomed in. Hey, baby. You cardinal. You little chunky butt cardinal. Taking the trash out. Waste no more. They out of that tree now. They move fast. I'm telling you. Legs forward. Couldn't get. Not the quarter though. Come over here as soon as I get ready to record. He jumped. He was right there. As soon as I got ready to record, he jumped on the roof. I saw you though. I don't got to see you. I saw you. And what do we have here? On the wall. What you will? One of them I done see you. I saw you in South Carolina. What are you? Hey. Hey. Yeah. Look at my guy again coming around his size. He ain't gonna go for it. Gonna stop right there. Stop where that pothole at. Let's watch it. Turn around. Good day, sir. So, hey. So you gonna stop right there and turn around. I told you gonna stop right there and turn around. Cause he doing this for me. He walking around for me. Get his side. Get his side for me, baby. Baby back. Baby back. I can't believe she's so smart like this. Hell yeah, baby in tune, baby. Baby in tune, baby. God on time. Never late. I like to record it. You are early, ain't you? Well, what do we have here? A little dragonfly. Hey, buddy. Hey, what am I tell you? Buddy. Hey, buddy. So beautiful. You're so pretty. Yeah, look at it's a small version of.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah, look at that dragonfly right there. Right here.
I need to.
Dragonfly right here.
Oh.
He don't like smoke.